Hi there, my name is Bridget and I'm the Design and PR Coordinator at Mural's Your Way. We are excited to be participating in our 5th year at the Minnecon trade show. Minnecon is a trade show in Minneapolis hosted by the IIDA Northland chapter. Nearly 200 exhibitors from a variety of design trades participate. This one day even includes seminars on new commercial products, educational programs, student events, and networking opportunities for designers and manufacturer representatives. So let me show you the image that we are looking to print for our booth for water. It's a Dawn watercolor wallpaper mural by Avery Tillmon. And I really like this image because it has a lot of the on-trend colors. The living coral color is throughout the image, as well as the sage green that's been popping up in a lot of decor lately. So I just like the peacefulness of it, the calmness. It's a beautiful watercolor, and I think it'll print great. So this is Cathy O'Brien. She'll be at the 2019 Minnecon trade show in the booth along with myself. Say hi, Cathy. Hi! We decided to have a large sample printed of the Avery Tillmon print just to make sure that the colors looked right with our decor, our table, our stools, made sure that it went along with all of our color choices, and I think it's working pretty well. We like how the colors are contrasting with the table. We think it's going to print beautifully. We also have something exciting. We're partnering with Avery Tillmon, and he gave us a couple prints. He's a local artist here in Minnesota. He gave us a couple prints to give away at the Minnecon trade show this year. We have another one here. So somebody could be a lucky winner and win